at last.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Smooth Love Potion. Smooth Love Potion has a market cap of over $125 million. Smooth Love Potion is down bad in this bear market. Smooth Love Potion has lost more than 82% of its value in the last 1 year. But altcoins are making a comeback on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. Ethereum has showed altcoins the way. Ethereum is up more than 10% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum has finally broken that $2,000 region. Ethereum is currently pumping towards the $2,500 region. Alt season has begun. How high can Smooth Love Potion go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll take a look at Smooth Love Potion's US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also look at Smooth Love Potion's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we'll sneak peek at Smooth Love Potion's market cap sitting at the $125 million level, the previous all-time high for Smooth Love market cap. The previous all-time high for Smooth Love Potion's market cap is around the $300 million region. Can we get that high in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, this is a channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Smooth Love Potion is still down bad in the bear market. That's expected. Altcoins are very aggressive with their dump to the downside in the bear market. Smooth Love Potion from its all-time high in 2021 dumped by more than 99% in this bear market. But altcoins can be volatile in both directions, to the downside, to the upside. Smooth Love Potion finally found the bottom at the $0.0019 level. And we talked about how this aligned the sand. Smooth Love Potion has not been able to rally above where we're trading in August of 2022. In the coming days and the coming weeks, if we see altcoin continuous pumping to higher prices, if we see the altcoin market rallying as we expect it to rally, we might just see Smooth Love Potion trade above the $0.0061 level for the first time since May of 2022. Smooth Love Potion has not been able to rally above that level. We have been undergoing accumulation in this bear market. Guys, that's to be expected with altcoins in the bear market. As altcoins are dumping aggressively to gobbling town, nobody wants to buy them. But when we get to the end of the next bull run, when altcoins are pumping to the upside, I'll not be shocked to see Smooth Love Potion proving to be one of the biggest gainers, giving us a 100x pump to the upside, maybe just maybe giving us a 200% pump to the upside. So in this bear market rally, as altcoins are pumping to the high side, these are key levels to watch out for Smooth Love Potion in the coming days and in the coming weeks. If we rally to that $0.028 level, if we're lucky to even get that far, Smooth Love Potion we have to rally by more than 800% to the upside. Now, why might we not get to that level, the level where we're trading in April of 2022? Smooth Love Potion has seen more tokens come into circulation. If you go to the Smooth Love Potion's market cap, which is giving us the real situation of things, Smooth Love Potion has seen significant increase in its market cap. From June of 2022, when the market cap was around $17 million, Smooth Love Potion's market cap just magically shot to the upside, even getting to as high as $224 million. A 1,200% pump to the upside on Smooth Love Potion's market cap. Guess what, guys? We didn't see a significant increase in the price of Smooth Love Potions in June of 2022 to when Smooth Love Potion's market cap finished that 10x pump to the upside. The price of Smooth Love Potion only went up by 69%. More tokens are in circulation and more tokens might be coming into circulation, and we might just see Smooth Love Potion because of that set new all-time highs on its market cap chart, because from where we're currently trading right now, for Smooth Love Potion's market cap to set new all-time highs will just require Smooth Love Potion's market cap to rally by 156% to the upside. And knowing how volatile altcoins can be, that rally can easily happen very, very quickly. Now, if we break above the $330 million level, we might see Smooth Love Potion's market cap quickly get to that $500 region. But also, we might see Smooth Love Potion's market cap quickly get to that $500 million region For us to get to that $500 million region, we'll have to have a 315% pump to the upside from where we're currently trading. What will the 15% pump to the upside from where we're currently trading mean? What will the 315% pump to the upside from where we're currently trading mean for Smooth Love Potions price? We will see Smooth Love Potions price rally from the $0.0029 level. Smooth Love Potions price will rally for the first time in 2023 above the $0.01 region. We might even get to as high as the $0.0125 region. Guys, do you see us pumping that high? As the altcoin market right now is showing signs of life on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. How high do you guys see Smooth Love Potion going in the coming days and in the coming weeks? If you want to buy some Smooth Love Potion right now deep in the bear market, you can get it on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bitstamp, on Gemini, on SushiSwap, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Smooth Love Potion right there. We have over $2,900 worth of Smooth Love Potion in our model portfolio. If you want to take a look at updates in the model portfolio, you can check out the channel. Updates on the portfolio are released every week. In the last 1 month, we have seen Smooth Love Potion trade for as high as $0.0031. It has also traded for as low as $0.0025. The all-time high for Smooth Love Potion was 2 years ago when it traded as high as $0.41. It has gone down by 99.29% from that all-time high, and the all-time low for Smooth Love Potion is around the $0.0019 level, and we're up more than 49.78% from that bottom. If we see Smooth Love Potion pumping to the upside in the coming days and the coming weeks, let's not get carried away, guys. Yes, we might have started a new bull cycle, but without 10x, that 20x, that 100x pump to the upside that you're waiting for will only happen when Bitcoin is done pumping. And I strongly believe Bitcoin and Ethereum are still heavily in the bear market, so be careful with altcoins. Yes, we want to get rich. Yes, we want to accumulate altcoins so that we can get more money in the future, but at the same time, altcoins can be volatile and you can easily lose all your money in the bear market. We've seen Smooth Love Potion dump aggressively to Goblin Town against Bitcoin in this bear market. From the last place where we were trading, the last real pump we had for Smooth Love Potion in February of 2022, Smooth Love Potion has rallied to new lows in this bear market, losing more than 89% of its value. So I'll not be shocked to see Smooth Love Potion have huge pumps against Bitcoin. Smooth Love Potion is known for its volatility to the upside. In February of 2022, that volatility saw Smooth Love Potion rallying by more than 265% to the upside against Bitcoin in just 9 days. So altcoins, if they start pumping to the upside, brace up. That pump might be very aggressive. Smooth Love Potion has set new lows against Ethereum also, and Ethereum is trading around $2,000. If we see this rally have a little pause and capital starts flowing from Bitcoin and Ethereum into altcoins, I'll be paying close attention to what Smooth Love Potion will be doing. We might easily see a 100 or a 200% pump to the upside for Smooth Love Potion. And the altcoin season index, another reason why we should believe altcoins will be pumping to the upside in the coming days and the coming weeks. We saw the altcoin market underperform against Bitcoin, and it was evident because the altcoin season index was telling us on a monthly time frame altcoins were doing terribly. From 25th of March 2023 till the 12th of April 2023, altcoins were down bad, were heavily in the Bitcoin month, and at some point in time, the altcoin season index even printed a value of 0. So I'm strongly believing that we might see altcoins pumping to higher prices. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see SLP? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Smooth Love Potion going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are you still accumulating more, getting ready for the next bull run? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
All I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
7, 1, 2, 3.